This dope shit.
Premium flour, water, yeast, sugar, and other carefully measured ingredients are loaded into the digital mixer. Run the dough mixer on slow mode. Once the dough reaches the perfect texture, it moves to the automatic processing line. Advanced machines divide the dough into equal portions with precision. In theory, every bun has the same size and width. The dough pieces then travel along the conveyor system, where they are gently rounded and shaped into perfect buns. Automation not only increases speed, but also maintains consistent quality throughout the production process. Finally, the finished buns are inspected, packed, and made ready for delivery. From mixing to packaging, every step is designed to ensure hygiene, efficiency, and consistent quality. Thanks for watching. Like the video, share and subscribe.